Hi viewers, today we will going to see how to install Terrarium TV on Android mobile. So first of all, we need to download the APK file from the official website. So I will show you the official website. So terrariumtv.com is the official developer of the Terrarium TV. Then go to terrariumtv.com and download the latest one. So download here. So click on here, so it will automatically starts downloading. So now it is started downloading. So I hope I already downloaded the app. So go to downloads and copy this and paste on. So I have already connected my Android device to PC. So now I will copy paste on the Lenovo Vibe K4 node and documents or wherever you want. Documents, copy here the app, and now go to Android mobile to install it. So my screen is here, so I will install it on my mobile. So first of all I will show you. So this is a menu. So I will go to file manager and see the apps is there. Click on here. So app release .apk. So you can click on here to install. So before going to this, you need to enable the security settings. So to enable that, unknown sources settings and go to security, and then my unknown source is already enabled. You need to enable this, otherwise the app will not going to be installed on your device. Okay. App started. Installation also. So it takes some time. Still app is installing, so wait until it completes installation. It takes a while to complete the installation. Then open the app to watch movies, trailers, shows. So allow the Terrarium TV. Contacts allow. If you want to delete, you can delete. Otherwise allow. So you need to have any one of the player, like a MX player or a VLC player. I will choose MX player as my default. So there is some issues, fixed critical, the features of the latest 1.8.3 versions, which is released on November 16th. So okay, so let us maybe cancel and accept the terms. Okay, so now you can watch the movies on Terrarium TV. Just wait, so it will show.